Quiet on the set! What's up, Vape Nation? Yo, yo, yo! Yo, 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 yo! What's up, bitch? What's up, you guys? Welcome to an exciting video. Today, in front of us, we have something very limited. Maybe, I don't know. It's just hard as shit to get, so let's get this open. Here we go. We're gonna open this bad boy up. We have the trusty of choice. But we have to get these ribbons off first. If we look here at the front, we'll see that it says 3090 24G EK. What does EK mean, you ask? It definitely doesn't mean electric car. Here we go. The ribbons are removed. Okay. Inside, you will find some literature. We have, what the f is this? We have 2 port stuff. We have a Pokemon card.
Oh.
We have a tarjeta gráfica. We have thanks, and we have Speed Setup. Let's move on. Yeah. We have our anti-static bag protecting our EKWB Asus collaboration RTX 3090. Here we go, folks. Single slot design, SLI fingers, dual 8-pin power connectors, all in the palm of your hand. That will conclude the unboxing of the Asus EKWB 3090. Stay tuned for additional water cooling videos and reviews here on the Blake Man 9. This is Blake signing off. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video. Also, you want to look sexy? Do you know someone in your life who is sexy? Check out level2eb.com, and we'll see you next time.
Sorry, honey, your head got cut off really quick. Can you do that again?